Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I realize I look a little crazy. It's not Halloween, I know, but I am doing, if you can't tell by the title, a superhero makeup collaboration. And my favorite superhero of all time is the Tick. I have Tick comics. That's how much I love him. He is so hilarious, especially, I haven't watched the Amazon Tick series, but the older series with Patrick Warburton is just, oh my god, it's so amazing. I highly recommend it, and the comics are hilarious. He's a comical superhero, and he's my favorite, and he's just this big burly guy in a blue suit with antennas who calls himself the Tick, and he says he has no memory of his life before being the Tick. He's kind of almost like an alien, I feel like, and I wanted to transform myself into this big blue awesome creature, and I did not do a talk through tutorial because this actually took quite a long time to do, just because I wanted to be detailed. It's fairly simple, as you can see, but it still took quite a long time for me to add the details, as costume makeup is not something I'm used to. I also show you how to make these antennas out of pipe cleaners and a headband. It's really simple, and let me just stop rambling about how excited I am about the Tick and let you know there are a bunch of ladies doing this collaboration. I will have all their links down below. You should check them out, see their superhero looks. And not all of them are going to be costume looks. Some of them are going to be just like dramatic eye looks inspired by the superheroes, but I wanted to go all in. So let's just get started with the tutorial of the headband and then roll into the look. This love's been a long time coming. guys how I transformed myself into the tick, and it's fairly easy, fairly simple. These antennas are super easy to make and they're bendable, so you can do the wonky antenna that he has, and then you don't have to buy a full-on costume. You just need some face paints and, well, really a blue face paint, and that's it, and a blue t-shirt and some pipe cleaners, and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to all of the ladies for collabing with me. Again, their links will be down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as check out those other collab videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.